Hello guys, this is very small and quick tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can send notifications to your user's phone. So first of all, let's open up the docs and let's go to get started Android, and there is the dependency, the Firebase messaging, and this service provides cloud messaging and notifications. So just add to your app level Gradle file and make sure that you change the version to your other libraries. Okay, here now let's click on sync and let's just go to the console, and here it is inside the notifications. Okay, let's see if it finished the Gradle field, and here it is, send your first message. So let's hit run button for our app, and once the app gets loaded, so basically there is no coding for basic notifications, but there is little fault in this one. You need to do some coding to add additional features for your notifications, like currently you can't send notification if the app is running in the foreground. You can only send the notifications if the app is running in background, but you can add the additional features by yourself. So I'm going to click on send your first message button, and it's going to open up the compose page. So our app, I guess it's ready to start installing the APK. That's not a problem. I'm going to enter a message, and let's say what is new, welcome to Fire app. All right, so let's select your app over here from the package name, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to minimize the app for now, and let's hit send message button and hit send. Now if you open up your device, and once the notification is confirmed, the status is completed, now you can see that on your notification bar, here is your notification. Fire app says welcome to Fire app. All right, so this is good now, but you need to add little bit of code to do additional functionality, and that we will be seeing in later parts. This is just a quick tutorial, and just to show you guys how you can send notifications to your app users. So let me do it once more. Just type in your message and select the app. Make sure you have added the dependency in your app and hit the send button. So that's pretty much it to send the basic notifications to your app users. So keep learning. In next part we will be doing the login UI for our app that we created in previous part. So see you guys later.